What's up, everybody? Jonathan Rose, active day trader. And that's my puppy Mercury. And I want to share one of my favorite trades right now. I shared this trade in a live class this past Wednesday, July 25th. Today it's Tuesday, July 31st, and the trade's working out great. So really excited to share this with everybody because I know a ton of my members have it. And it's a lockup trade. This past Wednesday, we shared ZS. It was trading at 40, 40, 50, 41. Here's the exact recording from that class. ZS. ZS has options. I have a position in ZS. I have a position in ZS right now. Here's what ZS looks like. So if we go here and we look at ZS, the reason why I like this name so much, it's up 150% from its IPO date. And now I have you on present day, about 5 days after the first recommendation to the Premier membership. You can see the ZS options were long from 240, some people 250, 255. Right now, those same options are trading for 420. A 70% return in 5 or 6 trading days. The reason this trade makes so much sense and the reason I shared it with the members is because ZS has a lockup. I'll leave a video up here so you can learn more about lockup trades. But not only does it have its lockup, it also has its earnings within that September expiration cycle. In backtesting ZS's earnings, we've also noticed that the options are priced inexpensive relative to its historical movement. So there was 2 good reasons for getting in ZS. Now, this trade's working out great. I'm thrilled for all the members who are in this. This is just the start. I am not covering ZS. I am patiently holding. We still have 52 days until this name expires. We have a major lockup, which is going to give us an avalanche of supply of shares, and I doubt there's going to be the demand. To add to that, not only do we have the lockup, we also have the earnings. The street is very unfamiliar with ZS's earnings because it's an IPO. That's more uncertainty, that's more volatility. Whenever you're long options, you're long volatility, you're long uncertainty. We have the position on correctly. Now we're just going to patiently wait for more follow through and hopefully get this sucker down in the 20s, maybe 25. Okay? Jonathan, active day trader.